Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, something absolutely crazy is happening for Bitcoin right now. Actually, everything is changing for Bitcoin. I want to go into the charts right now and tell you exactly what I am seeing in the Bitcoin charts right now, what I am expecting for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Let's get straight into it. And in the end, I wanted to share a piece of news with you, which in my opinion, it couldn't be more bullish than that. Stick here with me until the very end, but let's deep dive into the charts and let's examine what is actually very likely to happen for the Bitcoin price in the immediate short term. Guys, I can tell you something. I am extremely hungry. I want to go to the restaurant, but I have to get this video out there before it is too late. So make sure you sit down, you scroll down, and you give me this feedback if you want more of these videos on the go, quickly on the sidelines, in addition to the other videos. Make sure you smash up the like button towards the new all-time high. And of course, you leave your comments, your thoughts in the comment section down below. I need you to make noise for the algorithm. YouTube has to understand that these videos are relevant and these videos are time sensitive. Let me go here straight in and let me show you what is happening right now on the hourly candles for Bitcoin. So you can see here, just as I said earlier, the hourly candles for Bitcoin right now. So let me quickly zoom in here a little bit. So every single candlestick stick represents 1 hour. So what we can see here, first of all, is a W pattern unfolding. A V on the left-hand side, a V on the right-hand side. Of course, now the most important question is, are we going to break out? Is this W pattern here going to break out all the way up to a price target of $57,800? Well, this is what I want to be talking about right now, because it's not only the W pattern. We have here this downwards trend right now unfolding, which seems to be broken right now. As you can see, it seems that we have broken it. So we have here, first of all, a bump and run reversal pattern. I'm not telling you that we are going to new all-time highs here right now, but please listen me out. So first of all, we broke this trend here on the to the downside, to the upside, the downtrend to the upside on the hourly candles, and we are right now on the verge of retesting. So Bitcoin is on the crossroads right now, and please stick here with me until the very end. I want to share this crazy news with you. So first of all, if Bitcoin closes a 1 hourly, better even a 4 hourly candle close above the horizontal yellow support here, then when we are closing it and we are confirming the breakout, it is very likely, only in this case, that we are breaking out towards the $57,800 price target, the measured move price target of the W pattern, which is, guys, listen to this, in confluence with the target of the bump and run reversal pattern, which is the top side here of this downtrend, this exact same price target of the W pattern. But this is not everything. Why do I actually talk about these crazy news unfolding? First of all, guys, of course, this is a potential long trade only in case of confirmation. If we are getting rejected, this is bearish in the immediate short term. But guys, this is not everything I want to talk about. Let me quickly switch over. I am talking about crazy news. Remember, before I talked about this billionaire from Dubai actually pledging a $4.8 billion buy-in for Bitcoin. So he needs a red candle, of course, to buy in. No one knows if he already bought in or not, but he wants to buy 100,000 Bitcoin. But of course, this is a maybe. One thing which is for sure is that our man, Michael Saylor, who already bought billions of US dollars worth of Bitcoin, bought today. You know that he already raised $1.05 billion. Well, guys, the news are, maybe you heard it already, and please stick here with me until the very end. I have a crazy chart to show towards you. Here is that today he announced MicroStrategy has purchased an additional 19,452 Bitcoin for $1.026 billion in cash. What did he do with the other 34 million? Well, maybe 24 million. Maybe he bought a small yacht or so, right? just to put it in perspective, how crazy is that? For an average price of $52,765 per Bitcoin. This means actually that, this is absolutely crazy. He didn't even buy the bottom. He doesn't care what this guy is doing, and this is something you have to understand. He's not even trying to buy the bottom here. What this guy is doing is he is buying more and more Bitcoin, and then he is actually putting a loan towards the Bitcoin he already bought to buy even more Bitcoin. What you have to keep in mind, that every single Bitcoin you are selling right now, you are selling to a billionaire like Michael Saylor. The OTC market is completely drying out right now. This guy is buying at 52,000 and you wanna tell me, well, I'm selling right now, I'm waiting for 30,000 US dollars. Why is a multi-billionaire not doing that? Because he knows fiat is going to zero. This is why he is lending more and more money. And I wanna show you something in the Bitcoin charts. Let me quickly go over here, guys. You have to understand what is happening right now, guys. I really want to give you this long-term vision. Let me go here over to the daily candles. And what you can see here is that the chart I showed you earlier, I didn't even include the new Michael Saylor purchase. Wait, just a second, let me delete this. Let me zoom out a little bit and let me go back here. You can see Michael Saylor bought at 500 US dollars. Then Michael Saylor with the MicroStrategy again at 11,000. Then at 30,000, 21,000. Then at 30,000. Then Elon Musk bought also at 32,000. And right now, let me zoom in. Right now, how can I zoom in here? Perfect. Right now, he bought once again. Look at this. In this dip, he bought again at 52,000 US dollars. This means that his current purchase is not even profitable. The bottom line is, if you sell today into US dollars to try to outperform the market, you are exposing yourself. Let me quickly go back. You are exposing yourself to an insane amount of risk because you are selling the scarcest asset in the history of mankind into one of the least scarcest assets in the history of mankind, which is the US dollar, which is getting printed 24/7. So he is buying at 52,000 US dollars. Do you really want to be standing on the sidelines, wait for prices of sub 30,000, sub 40,000, just because you think the market is going there? Well, I would be actually copying what the multi-billionaires in the world are doing. This is crazy news. Of course, we have a chart layout with the bump and run reversal pattern, with this W pattern. This is for the hourly. This is for the next up and coming trade. But long-term vision, guys, it is extremely bullish for Bitcoin. Even though we are going to get rejected here on this W pattern, even though we are going to get a little bit lower, long-term, you can see multi-billionaires actually betting against the bears. They are betting against the Bitcoin price going lower here on the daily and weekly candles. Let me know what you think about that. Share this video with your friends. It's extremely important. It's extremely time sensitive. We have to get this video out there. We have to get the word out there. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. You know my trades are still open. I keep them open. I have 6 trades open. I showed them to you earlier. Watch the video earlier today if you missed that. And I will leave all the links down below if you want to be trading as well as me. Make sure you do it only as an experienced trader, only with a small fraction of your portfolio. But I have 1,200 US dollars in the pinned comment down below in the video description. If you click these links after your initial deposit, you get $1,200 for free. This is on a 30x leverage, a 36,000 US dollar free trade. If Bitcoin makes a 10x on a 10x, 10% upwards move on a 10x leverage, well, you get basically 100% on your trade there. So make sure you take advantage of that before it is too late, only if you're an experienced trader. Thank you so much for watching until the very end, and we will see you very soon in the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, by the way, if you are new to the channel, scroll down, press not only the subscription button, it's very important that you decide when you want to watch our videos. So press the bell and press on all so you can decide when the algorithm is pushing these videos towards you. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.